Welcome back to Channel V8X, where performance meets luxury and every drive tells a story. If you love premium SUVs with bold design and cutting-edge technology, make sure you subscribe to Channel V8X and hit that bell icon, because today, we're looking at something truly special. This is the new 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line, finished in a stunning golden brown color that screams confidence, elegance, and modern luxury. Front view praise. Let's start with the front view, because this is where the Audi Q5 Sportback makes its first powerful impression. The aggressive S-Line grille, sharp LED matrix headlights, and sculpted bumper give this SUV a bold, almost predatory stance. From the front, it looks athletic, premium, and unmistakably Audi, perfect for drivers who want presence on the road. Side view praise. Move to the side view, and the Sportback design truly shines. That coupe-style roofline flows smoothly into the rear, giving the Q5 Sportback a sleek, aerodynamic profile. The large alloy wheels, sharp character lines, and golden brown paint reflect light beautifully, making this SUV look fast even when it's standing still. Back view praise. From the rear, the connected LED taillights and sporty diffuser complete the luxury performance look. It's clean, modern, and aggressive without being overdone. This angle proves Audi knows exactly how to blend sophistication with sportiness. Interior and dashboard praise. Step inside, and the dashboard view feels like stepping into the future. The digital cockpit, wide infotainment display, premium materials, and ambient lighting surround you with comfort and technology. Everything is driver-focused, intuitive, and built for long American highways and daily city driving alike. Engine view praise. Under the hood, the engine view represents Audi's commitment to performance and refinement. Clean layout, precision engineering, and power designed for smooth acceleration and confident cruising. This is performance you can trust. Drone and highway shots praise. From a drone view, the 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line looks commanding and perfectly balanced on the road. And in highway shots, it truly comes alive, stable, fast, and effortless, built for long drives and open roads. Night shot praise. At night, this SUV becomes pure drama. The night shot highlights glowing LEDs, reflections on the golden brown body, and a luxury presence that turns heads wherever it goes. Price mention. Now let's talk about price. The expected starting price of the 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line is estimated to be around $55,000 to $60,000, depending on trims and options, making it a strong contender in the premium luxury SUV segment. Closing, channel call. So whether you're looking for style, technology, comfort, or performance, the new 2026 Audi Q5 Sportback S-Line delivers it all. Thanks for watching Channel V8X. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned, because Channel V8X brings you the future of driving, one powerful machine at a time.